with the Tesla. He's got the house, and then I'm just a remodeling company. Yeah, I can get you a card when I clean up. Which house are you? Which house are you, please? Okay. Yeah. We're gonna be in here for a while, I presume. Right now we're just doing the gut, but if he gives us the whole contract, we'll be here.
I'll be watching y'all.
Yeah.
I'm glad to see y'all.
How long has this been like this?
Shit, 7 years. Over 7 years. Wow.
I'm shocked they didn't condemn it. You know, it's so bad in there. There's mold all over. It's anybody who gets in there and stays in here is walking into the hospital afterwards.
Wow. It's the lady that used to live there. She ended up in the hospital with bed bugs. Ate her body up.
Shut up.
And they still didn't shut this house down. She was sick and came home and ended up with bed bugs and stuff. I don't know how things are.
Oh, you're scaring me.
No, it's bed bugs, roaches, and everything in the house.
You know, I saw some bed bugs, like the little eggs.
Yeah.
But I didn't see any roaches yet.
Because they probably had no sense to leave. They left first.
Yeah, the roaches said I ain't staying here. Yeah, thanks for the heads up. Yeah, we'll see you around.